From Levini's Pavilion in Cambridge, one last go-round in non-conference play for LaSalle and Harvard.
Ease of use is everything for us because we have a constant rotation of students coming in and working on our team. And we have so many games going on throughout the year that we really can't pause to do organized training. Our mission is to support all the sports that Harvard has. And to support 42 teams in the capacity that we do, we just can't get professional camera operators and then TriCaster operators across the board. And so what we need to do is get people who are passionate about sports or passionate about broadcasting and production, and then give them the tools to make this happen. The best technology for us is technology we don't have to think about. There are a lot of things that we could do that would be very labor intensive and would require several broadcast engineers on site just to set up and make sure they work. And they'd be great, I'm sure. But A, we don't have the budget for it, and B, we don't have the time or staffing for that. And so what I want, regardless of if we're talking about video or audio or cameras or replay, I want the behind the scenes technology to be seamless, to be plug and play, and to be transparent to everyone, the fans and the operators. If you were to ask anyone from my team, how does the replay signal get from the replay system to the switcher? They won't know. It's because it's not important for them to know. It's because it doesn't fail, it always works, and it's a technology that doesn't require any intervention. It just is. And it's NDI. We use NDI to get replay into TriCaster. And it's just there. It's never required us to think about, and that's worth everything. Our goal has been to provide basketball or hockey level production, which is our big productions, to other sports that don't usually get that kind of attention. We've put soccer games on TV this year, we've put water polo on TV this year, and there's really no way for us to do that at those facilities. Water polo doesn't even have a press box, there's just a pool, that's it. And soccer has a press box, but it's outside, and it doesn't really allow us to build the kind of setup to support a TV level broadcast. But NDI does. And so what we've done is set up cameras and commentators at these facilities, at water polo and at soccer, and then sent all those feeds back to our control rooms. NDI has allowed us to expand our productions without spending money. And that's everything. We used to, when we would consider expanding to a different sport and bringing it to our control rooms, have to start doing analysis on how much it would cost us to trench and run fiber and get fiber converters, and it would immediately become so expensive that we would just stop the conversation. With NDI, there is no conversation. It just works, and so it allows us to take money out of the equation.